Hello, this is Kenny with Structured Solutions. Thank you so much for your interest in SSI Tools, the must-have tool suite for project managers and master schedulers. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your trial version of SSI Tools on your computer. I've already downloaded the Setup SSI Tools exe file on my computer, which you can see here. I'm going to go ahead and open this file up, which will open the install wizard. I'm going to hit Next. You have the option to set the location on your computer where the SSI Tools files will be saved, and if you want to create a shortcut to them in the Start menu. In order to access all of the features of SSI Tools, the files need to be saved in a location that you can have read and write access to. If you're with a business or organization, talk to your IT department to find out where the best location to save the files is. We recommend the default settings, which is C, Users, Public, SSI Tools, or the Program Files x86 folder. So I'm going to stick with the default selections and hit Install. Okay, the install has been completed, so I'm going to go ahead and click Finish. Now, when I open up Microsoft Project, I have the SSI Tools ribbon installed and ready to go. The trial version also includes SSI Tools for Microsoft Excel and SSI Presentation Professional. After 30 days, your free trial will expire and you'll need to enter a license key to continue using SSI Tools, which you can purchase on our website. If you're a business or organization and want to purchase multiple licenses, you can contact us directly for a personalized quote. Thanks again for using SSI Tools.